Hi, my name is Catherine Hendren, and today I will be walking you through a training on how to report in the Belmont Forum Grant Operations, or BFGO, system. The Belmont Forum is a collective of major funders of environmental change research. The Belmont Forum funds collaborative research actions, or CRAs, in order to support international transdisciplinary research, providing knowledge for understanding, mitigating, and adapting to global environmental change. For more information on the Belmont Forum, please visit the YouTube page and watch our introductory video. The purpose of this tutorial is to walk you through the Belmont Forum Grant Operations, or BFGO, system for project reporting. We will start with a quick overview of reporting procedures for the Belmont Forum and then walk through reporting in the BFGO system. We will wrap up with a quick quiz and provide contact information and ways that you can connect with the Belmont Forum. Let's quickly review the BFGO reporting processes. The BFGO system is set up to collect information over the life of the project. However, each call and CRA is unique and will have specific requirements for the BFGO system. Please check with the group of program coordinators for your CRA to see when you are expected to report in the BFGO system. The BFGO system allows the Belmont Forum to aggregate information across projects and calls in order to measure overall success of the forum. The project reporting can also be paired with additional information at the project, CRA, and forum level to meet new and special information needs. And finally, data collected through BFGO will be used to share Belmont Forum success stories and to create visualizations for internal and external audiences. That wraps up the reporting overview. Let's take a look at the BFGO reporting process. The first step to reporting in the BFGO system is logging in. Once you're designated an awardee by the Belmont Forum, you will be sent your login information in an email. Once you have this login information, you can just go to bfgo.org, and there's a login window on the top right-hand corner of the home page. You put in your email and password there, and you'll have access to the system. To begin your report, or to find your report if you've been logged out, just click on Awardee Reports in the top banner and you'll see your report listed on the page for you. On the Awardee Reports page, you'll see reports that you have submitted, that have been accepted, and that you've completed in the past, as well as reports that you're currently working on. So once you get to that page, simply click Edit next to the report that you're currently working on, and that will open the report for you to enter information. Each page allows you to navigate between different sections of your awardee report. There's a navigation page on the left-hand side that allows you to switch between different information sections, and there are also instructions that you can show at the top of each page that will give you an overview of the information that's collected in that section. Most of the information collected on a question-by-question basis is in open text or in drop-down menus. On a couple of pages, such as the personnel page, the information is displayed in a table format. In this table format, once you complete a form, you'll see an overview displayed at the top. You can edit that information at any time by clicking Edit in the left-hand side, and you can add a new entry by clicking Add New at the bottom of the table. Please remember to save your work. There's a Save button at the bottom of each page, and before you move between pages, make sure you click Save so that any information that you have put into the system will be there the next time when you come back. Finally, please make sure you submit your report. Once you've entered all of the information that you would like, just go to the Submit section in the navigation page and click Submit. This will formally push your report through the system and will make sure everything gets recorded. There are several ways to log out of the system. So one great thing about the BFGO system is that you can complete information in different sessions. You don't have to finish everything in one sitting. If you have finished one session of information input, just click on Log Out in the navigation pane. Additionally, the BFGO system will log you out due to inactivity. So if you leave your computer and you've been inactive in the system, you'll get a warning message, and then eventually the system will log you out. If that happens, just return to the home page and log back in, and you can pick up where you left off. If at any time during the reporting process you have questions, please email help@bfgo.org. And if you have questions about grant opportunities, please email info@belmontforum.org. That wraps up our overview of the reporting process. Let's move on to the quiz and contact info. Question 1. What reports are required from current awardees? Is it A, an initial report, B, an interim report, C, a final report, or D, check with your group of program coordinators to see when reports are due? The answer is D. Please remember to check with your group of program coordinators. Since the BFGO system is being rolled out on a call-by-call basis, you might have different reporting requirements than a different project or call. Question 2. What are the different uses for report information? A, to gather information across projects, to show the shared success of Belmont Forum projects, to create visualizations and annual reports, or D, all of the above? The answer is D, all of the above. And question 3, true or false? Awardees are required to submit the report in addition to completing all of the fields. The answer is A, true. There are several ways that you can contact and stay in touch with the Belmont Forum. If you have questions about grant opportunities, like new calls, please email info@belmontforum.org. If you're using the reporting system and have questions or issues, please email help@bfgo.org. You can also stay in touch with the Belmont Forum by going to the belmontforum.org website and click Connect. There you can sign up for our listserv. You can also follow the Belmont Forum on Twitter and LinkedIn, and all of these are great places to keep up with new grant opportunities. And as I mentioned before, the Belmont Forum has a YouTube page that has additional resources if you're interested in learning more.